Welcome to class. Today I'll be teaching you how to make these cute, beautiful looking bangles. So let's get right into it. So here are the materials you'll be needing. You'll be needing your fabric, you'll be needing ordinary bangles, you'll be needing your tape rule, scissors, and then white gum. Finally, you'll be needing a stick gum. This is a stick gum. See what it looks like? The stick gum, and then um anything you're going to use to apply the gum. So this is a carry board. Okay, so the piece of fabric you'll be cutting to make your bangles is 1.5 inches by 26 by 26 inches. Okay, now the next step is to apply a little bit of gum, of your Vostick gum, on one side of the bangle. Just pick any side. Okay, so it's going to look like this. I don't know if you can see the gum, but this is where I applied it, just at the beginning where you're just going to start from. Then the next step is to take your piece of fabric and then fold down a little to the middle. Place it like this. You can see the way the fabric is curved. It is not straight like this. It is curved here. Then you use your thumb to push up the fabric like this to form this sort of arc. It'll make the rotation much easier as we go. So now turn. So you keep turning this way till you get to the other end of the bangle. So once you get to like the V point of where this like this, you're going to put a little bit of gum, sway, and apply on the fabric like this. Fold this down, then fold the other side down too, right? Like this. Then you continue turning it, right? Okay, great. Now that you've gone into the final lap, which is this, that covers where you started from, going to cut away the excess fabric, fold it down, just to get a look of how it's going to look like when you're done. So you don't want to cut too close. So you want to, so if it is excess, you can still trim off as you go. Okay. So now you're going to take a white gum or shoemaker gum. Apply a little bit at the tip just to fold it down to keep it in place. Okay, so once that is done, just going to trim off this. Want to make sure that the work is very neat and the edges are not obvious. Okay, going to take gum, apply that at the tip, and then pull the fabric and press down. You want to make sure you give it a really tight pull. And there you go. You have a finished bangle. So I'm just going to quickly rush through this for the second one. Same process. So now this fabric is much more stretchy. So I enjoy working with fabrics with a little bit of stretch in them because it sits more nicely on the bangle. Yes, Sekabo. So here you go. Two beautiful looking, oops, two beautiful looking bangles. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.